because it was a graduation gift. I just graduated with my bachelor's. I'm the first one of her grandchildren to get a degree. So for her, that's a big thing. So she was like, not only are you taking care of my grandchild, my great-grandchild that has severe disabilities, and obviously, you know, I have a harder hand at life. Can't work, really can't get like a job like I want to, because believe me, I miss working. I miss having friends at work. I miss meeting people. I miss being fit because of the work. I used to be a tree expert. The work I did, I was constantly working out, and I miss it. Like, I miss it a lot. So she knew like everything I was going through, and she was like, here, I'm gonna give you this card because you deserve it. Not because like I'm a spoiled rotten kid. Like, no, I put 4 years of college that I paid for myself. Haha. This is my grandma's real recipe book right here. Can't share this with y'all. Nuh-uh, you can't have it. What does it mean if your car's electrocuting you when you touch it? That's the second time in a week that that's happened. That's scaring me. I want to know what that is immediately. Any mechanics here any mechanics here in the chat? No, I haven't done any running yet today. I'm just literally just started my day. Got my daughter at therapy. Don't gotta be back there till 10:30. Of course, I'll be back there before them though. Yeah. What the fuck that is? Okay, so now all of this is garbage. I don't want any of it. This is all stuff that goes back into the house when we get home, so we put that in the back seat. These shoes, I want to sell these because some of these are Adidas. My grandma said she did not want them. I was gonna have a garage sale and like sell them for like $2 a piece. I don't know, I mean, they're Adidas. Who wouldn't want $2 Adidas? It's like almost brand new. Like, look, there's barely any wear and tear on the bottom of these. Like, I'd pay $2, but they don't fit me, or else I'd keep them. They're like 3 sizes too small. If they were only 1 size too small, I'd probably still keep them. But yeah, I'm gonna do like a garage sale, or like sell everything online. I don't even know, something.